Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin. Of course, your daily update. We're going to do a full update. I mean, in general, I would say the situation is pretty much still the same as yesterday. All right. And by the way, I might be speaking a little bit different because there's like I'm not sure how to say it in English, but there's something in my mouth which really hurts, so I have to keep my mouth shut a little bit more. Which results in a little bit less intelligibility, I would say. But all right, for now, Bitcoin is consolidating on the 1 hour time frame at least. All right, we have a very strong support level right here at 68,200, where we have the 0.5 fib with the 200 EMA, and then the main resistance level, which we need to break if we actually want to see a rally. Which is right here between 69,300 and 69,500. Now, if that breaks, I would say we will actually have a bullish Bitcoin again. And I think overall, if you zoom out, Bitcoin is still bullish, all right? But the main question is right now that Ethereum is doing very, very well, all right? If you look at Ethereum against Bitcoin, that's rallying. And there's actually, and like Bitcoin, the Bitcoin dominance is dropping down quite a bit as well. So altcoins are performing. Bitcoin is lagging behind a bit. So the main question is all right, well, when altcoins find resistance and when altcoins start to fall back down, which I don't think will be the case right now, it's a possibility because the volume across the markets is still relatively low. It's up 30%, but it's a bank holiday in the US and the UK, so we'll get more volume tomorrow. We could still see some sort of an altcoin reversal then. And the main question is, and that was what I was talking about, how will Bitcoin react to that altcoin reversal if it happens? All right, because I think it's most likely, like usually it's most likely if you see the price consolidating like this on a short time frame, it's usually most likely, third time I say it, that you get a confirmation in the direction of the market. And if you look at the direction of the market on the 4 hour time frame, it's an uptrend. All right. So I have to tell you, and I think I have to tell you at least, that even though on the short term we're consolidating here, I think it's most likely that eventually we'll get a breakout above that level we talked about between 69,500 and 69,300, and that will get back up towards 71,000. And well, the markets are bullish again, or at least Bitcoin is bullish again, because I would say the markets are already bullish. So I think that's most likely. But then if you look at Bitcoin right now, I really want to stress, I think it's happening. But the thing is that at this moment, there's no real confirmation for that. There's no real indication that all of a sudden we will get that breakout and will rally. What you would want to see is that either the volume for Bitcoin increases a lot while the price is going up. All right, so if Bitcoin rallies up to 69,400 and the volume gets up to 25 to 30 billion, that's great. That's an indication we have momentum. Or if the open interest starts rallying, that's also an indication that we have momentum. And that's not here right now. So on the short term, I actually think it's most likely that we'll consolidate here between 69,400 and 68,000. And from that consolidation, especially since the volume is so low, and we will still get new capital and new trades opened very, very soon, it's also a possibility that will still drop down. So be careful, right? Be mindful of that, because if this support level around 68,000 breaks, which is a possibility, like I said, due to that low volume, we can drop down all the way to 67, 66,000, maybe even lower. So yes, I'm bullish on Bitcoin, but there's no indication that we'll get a breakout and a continuation of the uptrend anytime soon. So until that confirmation, be cautious, all right? But that's what I think you need to know. So if you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.